This video shows police activity that may be hard for some viewers to watch.
Can I take that by the strap and get off it?
You worried about it?
A Bay County deputy confronts an armed man walking along the roadside.
You got a gun. You got two of them.
I know, you got two
Why
as
you
well.
want mine?
This footage highlights the real dangers law enforcement face during unpredictable encounters.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro.
Mr. Smith.
Hey, one more.
There's a guy in a red maroonish long sleeve shirt and black pants with a cane that is walking with a rifle. Not sure of the exact gun. Not even sure if it's BB, but I know a car went to turn off Weber just a second ago, and he took the gun off and pointed it at the car as the car was turning.
Bay County Sheriff's Office, where is your emergency?
There's a guy walking down that Weber Road with an assault rifle. Kept driving. He waved at me and smiled, and I didn't turn down Edward. I just kept going straight.
I'm sleeping.
Mr. Smith.
How do you know my name? I didn't give you my name.
I know you
You
didn't.
reached for your gun. It don't work.
Mr. Smith.
I'm not reaching for mine.
I know
Reach
you're not.
for yours.
Mr. Smith.
Reach for your
Grab
gun.
that by the strap and put it down, please.
Camera on. I don't see no red
It's
light.
on.
Sure.
Mr. Smith, do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
Where you at?
Bay County. I'm on Edith. No, is this Edith Height? Nope.
It is not.
This is Carolina. Subdivision.
Okay. Can I take that off of you?
Huh?
Can I take that by the strap and get off it?
You worried about it? You got a gun. You got two of them.
I know, you got two
Why
as
you
well.
want mine? So why you want just one?
Mr. Smith.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey,
Grab it. Don't you touch it.
Don't feed me.
Bay, I got one at gunpoint.
No feed.
Put it down. Put it down. Bay, shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop it. I need code 3 now. I got shots fired. Bay, shots fired. One subject down.
We have his location.
Weber and 231. Back up, back up.
471, same traffic. 25A, covered Weber and 231. 40's en route. 6-8, Bay, if we haven't already, fire EMS around to him.
Mr. Smith.
According to the sheriff's office, the man was carrying a handgun and a magazine-fed shotgun.
Reach for yours.
Mr. Smith.
He became non-compliant after being instructed to place the shotgun on the ground by its strap.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I talked
Mr.
about
Smith.
Hey.
Body-worn camera video shows that during his first reach toward his handgun, the deputy was only a few feet away, a moment that could have gone another direction had the weapon been fully drawn.
Grab it. Don't you touch it.
Don't feed me.
Bay, I got one.
On the second attempt, he reached again and pointed the handgun toward the deputy.
Gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down.
He discharged the weapon, leading the deputy to respond.
Bay, shots fired.
The man collapsed to the ground, but continued to fire. During the confrontation, the man discharged 6 rounds, and the deputy responded with 7. Deputies initiated medical aid immediately,
Smith, stay with me.
but the man was later pronounced deceased at the scene. This outcome underscores how quickly a situation can escalate when a person chooses not to comply during a high-risk encounter. It is a reminder of the split-second difficult decisions deputies must make when faced with armed threats. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more critical incidents and see how law enforcement handles high-stakes encounters.